The three words that I'm gonna say now are probably the words that you have been waiting to hear for almost a year now. PUBG is back. Yes, guys, I'm not trying to misguide you. This is not a clickbait. PUBG Mobile is actually coming back to your smartphones and hopefully very soon. What? It says Battlegrounds Mobile India? Guys, don't worry. गंगाधर ही शक्तिमान है. नहीं समझे? Well, wait till the end of this video because I'm going to explain you what is happening here. Because PUBG Mobile is coming to your phones but with a different name. Well, you're watching Internet Tech. I am Anas Tiwari. And before we start this video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also hit the bell icon that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Now guys, PUBG is coming back and it has been officially announced this morning. The company behind PUBG, Krafton, has put out a release. It has made a website live and there's a small teaser which has also come out on the YouTube channel. Now the interesting development here is that name of the YouTube channel has been changed from PUBG Mobile India to Battleground Mobile India, which means that while the game is coming back to your phones, it is coming with a different name. Now, does that change anything in terms of gameplay? I don't think so, because the small teaser, it's a 10-second teaser that has been put out and it does not reveal too much information. But going by the graphics, going by the look of it, what we can see is that the gameplay or the gaming experience is going to be very similar to what we had on PUBG Mobile. In fact, you can see in the teaser that the color scheme, the background, the surroundings, the landscapes are very similar to what we had on PUBG. In fact, the fonts, the font colors are also very similar to PUBG. Now what Krafton has said is that it will give you a AAA battle royale gaming experience, and that is something to be excited about. It also says that it is going to build a community of gamers and esports enthusiasts in India, and the focus will be a lot on giving a secure experience to the users. Now it's worth mentioning here that what happened last year and why PUBG was initially banned was because the government decided to ban a long list of apps which had some sort of China connections or were storing some data on servers outside of India. And Krafton has promised that that's going to change. It is also saying that a lot of tournaments will be organized for the PUBG players. So that is something that you should be really excited about. Now, what I want to talk about is this new identity for a while. What has happened here is that PUBG has a new name, Battleground Mobile India. Now, I'm not sure if how does that change anything, because PUBG was short and sweet and that's what we like. But it has gone with a new identity just to maybe differentiate itself from the existing game or which we had till a year ago. So what do you think about this new name? Do you like Battleground Mobile India or did you like PUBG more? Let us know in the comment section, because aesthetically, gameplay wise, I don't see too many changes. It's just that the name has been changed. Basically, you have the Delhi Devils, now you have the Delhi Capitals. Both haven't won the IPL yet. So anyway, this is what you have here, and the teaser of the game still says that the game is coming soon, which is that we don't have a date yet. And what happened last year was that PUBG had put out a similar teaser where it had said that the game will be coming soon with a Diya, and a lot of people thought that it might arrive around Diwali, but that did not happen. So while we have to be excited, we still don't have a date or a rollout timeline for the game. But what we do know is that once the game goes live, you will have pre-registrations for it, which means that users will be allowed to pre-register for the game. So will you do that? Are you excited for this game? Let us know in the comment sections. What are the new features that you want to see in the game? Let us know that as well. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such updates on Internet Tech.